days are coming round now. Winter is here, my favorite time of the year. I could get close to my dear, my baby. I could feel the breeze coming through. I could see me and you cuddled up underneath the mistletoe. Anything that you want, just let me know.
What's up, guys? So welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new. So today we are going to be attempting a 3-strand twist out. I don't think I've ever done this on camera before. I think I saw it like years and years and years ago when I was more so newly natural, or like in the beginning stages of my natural hair journey, and I don't think I definitely know that I wasn't on YouTube at that point in time. So I decided, you know what, Nisha, let's revisit that hairstyle and do a video on it. So that is what we're doing today. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this 3-strand twist out, then definitely keep on watching. Now, by the time you guys see this video, I would have already posted my review of the curl box, the October Ulta Beauty Curl Box. And so you guys know currently I'm applying the, what do you call that? Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. And if you have not seen that video, I will link it up above in the cards and down in the description box if you'd like to hear my full thoughts on it. But just know that I am using those products to achieve this 3-strand twist out. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish moisturize my hair and I'll be back. So what I'm going to do now is just add a little bit more of the product to each individual section, just to make sure that all of the hair is coated and evenly gets enough leave-in conditioner. So as you guys can see, this is a pretty decent sized section at the back of my head. So what I'm going to do is separate this maybe into 3 sections and do the 3-strand twist from that. So this is the section that I'm using, kind of a small to medium sized section. And like I said, going in with the Pattern Beauty Stronghold Gel, and I'm using about this much, if it will focus, right. I'm using about this much of the product per section. And like I said, for all of my thoughts on these products, definitely check out my review of the curl box. But right now I'm just showing you guys how I do the 3-strand twist out. I want to make sure that you rake the product through your hair like very, very good. Make sure all of the strands is coated from the roots straight down to the tip. Everywhere has the gel and is coated and is smooth and is ready to be styled. Hopefully you guys could see better from the back, separating into 3 sections, and you just want to take far right to far left, far right to far left. It's kind of like you're making a half a circle, or like I said, consider it a merry-go-round. Far right to far left, like you're not carrying anything in the middle, so just far right to far left, far right to far left, like just carry it straight over. And like I said, once you get the hang of the motion, it is very, very easy to do. So I have 2 of the twists done here, and like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and I'll come back and show you guys an even closer shot when we get to the front. Alright y'all, so my hair is already conditioned with the leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going in with a little bit of the Stronghold gel from Pattern Beauty. Look at that shine. Oof. Alright, so now that we have applied the product throughout my section, you just want to go ahead and separate it into 3 pieces, just like if you're going to braid, right? So now we take the section that is on the far right. Yeah, take the section that is in the far right, so this hand, and you bring it over. Imagine like you have, remember the protractors back in school? Half a circle, and you're taking this section and passing it across straight to the other side. So far right to far left, like I was saying before. So far right, far left. Far right. You see it went from far right straight across to the left hand side. Far right, straight across to the left hand side. And you're kind of catching it with your baby finger. So far right, catch it again with your baby finger, far left. Far right. And you have to keep switching your hands. That's the only thing that's probably the most difficult, but once you get it down, it's like very intuitive and you catch it again. So once you switch and make sure that your baby finger is again available to accept it, and you keep going like that. Sometimes you don't even have to use your baby finger. Once you get comfortable with the movements, you just remember far right, half a circle across, and you just keep pulling it. Going all the way down. And I like to go back and like tighten it just to make sure that the curl pattern will really set in place there. And sometimes your brain will want to trick you into like actually doing a braid, but once you remember it's like a half a circle straight over to the other side, then you should be fine. And then of course, like you do with any other twist, when you get down to the end, you just kind of twirl it around your finger and you get a nice little coil. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our 3-strand twist. So yeah, pretty simple once you get the hang of it. And y'all, the one thing I probably don't like about this is that it doesn't get very close to your roots. So I'm wondering if I should do like start it off as a braid just to keep my roots stretched. I feel I'll try that and see. Just like the first 2 inches or so. And then I'll go ahead and do the 3-strand twist down to the bottom. I feel like that would make it a bit more elongated. So as you guys could see, it is way more elongated when I started it off with the braid than it is when I just do the 3-strand twist as is. So I think I'll go back through and do that just to give my roots a little bit more stretch. And you guys, I will come back to you when I'm done. This process is going to take me a little while just because it just takes a lot of brain and hand coordination just to make sure that you don't slip back into old habits. So I'm gonna catch you guys back in a little bit. Alright y'all, so I am done. It probably took me just about the same amount of time it would take to do regular twists. I just had a little bit of a learning curve because if you notice where it switches from being a braid to being the twist, I started getting this kind of raised look, kind of looking a little bit puffy, and I didn't want it to dry puffy like that. So I've been going over and doing them over so that it kind of flows smoothly from the braid to the twist like what you see here. So I might go back through and just redo this one and make it tighter, but that is what has been keeping me back. Other than that, it installs pretty easily just like I would for like regular braids or regular twists. So like I said, I'm probably just gonna go back through and like this one looks a little bit puffy, so I'm gonna do these 2 probably a little bit tighter and call that a day, and I'll come back to you guys when it's time to take down. Hey guys, so I am back, and as soon as I start filming, the rain started falling. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but if you do, bear with me. Also, there's been a change of scenery since you guys last saw me. It's been a few days. My plant was going through some things, so we had to take her outside and give her a little bit of sunlight, so bear with her. Anyways, like I said, it's been a couple days since you guys last saw me, so let's go ahead and take these out. And one of the things that I really do like about the 3-strand twists are that it, for some reason, doesn't shrink up as much as 2-strand twists. Like my 2-strand twist normally would shrink up like to about here on my neck, whereas the 3-strand twists still are giving length, and I haven't stretched them at all, so that is very interesting. So let's go ahead and take these out. Alrighty, so as per usual, I have my mirror across to the side here that I'll be using, and let's just go ahead and take these out. Now, I would like to believe you just unwind it, just like you would a regular 2-strand twist in the opposite direction from when you put them in. And yeah, it's kind of that simple. You just untwirl it in the opposite direction, and it just comes apart. Just like so. And then of course you have the braid at the base. So I'm just working that out. And this is what we have from the first 3-strand twist taken down. So I'm just going to go ahead and take out the rest of these twists, and I will be back before I separate, because I want to show you guys what the actual pattern looks like and what the kind of volume it's giving before I actually go ahead and separate it. So I'll see you guys back in a few minutes. I don't think this should take me long. The longest part is honestly to take out the roots, which are braided, but even that is probably just like an inch or two. So just in time I was talking to you guys, I was able to get that out. So that is it. So I'll catch you guys back in a little bit. Alright guys, so as you can see, all of the 3-strand twists are out, and this is what we are looking like. Let me turn around so you guys can get a better peep at the definition. So yeah, let me go ahead now and just run through my hair and finish fluff, separate, pick, and I'll be back to show you guys the final results. Alright, y'all. This is the result of the 3-strand twist out. And let me just say that I am all the way here for it. Like, there's so much movement, so much definition, so much body to my hair. It feels really good. Now, if you want to hear what I think about the products that I use to style this 3-strand twist out, then you'll definitely have to click on my curl box review that I will post right here. But yeah, I really love how this turned out. So like I said, if you want to see what I think about the products, then definitely check out that video. But yeah, I am living for this. You know what this feels like? It looks like a finger coil out, but with way less frizz. I'm loving it. I am loving the look of this. Like I said, it's so bouncy and it's just looks really good. Let me give you guys a close-up so you could see the definition. Yes. The definition is really nice. And I haven't even stretched my hair, so imagine if like I were to take my blow dryer and stretch my roots, it would look so bomb. But I'm not doing all of that. So yeah guys, this is where we're gonna leave it for right now. Let me know down in the comment section below if you've ever tried a 3-strand twist out. Would you ever try a 3-strand twist out? Let me know down in the comment section below. If you like how the style turned out, then definitely hit the thumbs up button. If you've gotten to this point in the video and you're not yet subscribed, sis or sir, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss future uploads. Plus, it would help me out on my channel so much, and I will see you all in the very next video. Take care, guys. Bye!